Hey guys, Owen here from Maclin Ford, here to show you this infinite blue metallic tinted clear coat 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E. This Mach-E is fully serviced, a local Alberta vehicle with absolutely zero accidents. It comes in the premium all-wheel drive package with a 300A equipment group and a 68 kilowatt standard battery. This Mach-E has a lot of cool features, including a heated steering wheel, a huge display screen, heated leather seats, heated steering wheel. It comes with LED lights, power folding mirrors, panoramic fixed glass sunroof, wireless charging pad, ambient lighting. It comes with a full B&O audio system, Bluetooth, navigation. It has a power tailgate, with just a push of a button, gives you full access to the rear of this car. You can fold down the center arm console for cup holders or even an armrest. Thank you very much for watching my video. Come on down to Maclin Ford to see more about this Ford Mustang Mach-E.